Imagine waking up to a pile of cash. Sounds pretty good, right? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can make money while you're asleep, so that one day you'll have the freedom to do whatever it is that makes you happy. Making money while you sleep is not just for the wealthy. With passive income, anyone can make money while they're resting. Passive income is a great way to earn extra cash without having to work at all hours of the day or night like most people do when they want to make an honest living. I always hear from beginners how they want to make more money but don't know where or how to start. There's nothing wrong with wanting more out of life, and there are some straightforward steps we can take today to get started on our journey towards financial freedom. Make sure that you watch this video in its entirety to know what passive income opportunities are available and how to take advantage of them. Number 1. Invest in stocks. People often think that the only way to make money is by going out and getting a job. If you want to make passive income, it's not as simple as deciding what career path you would like to take because your options are limited by location and availability of jobs. Investing in stocks can be one of those ways where people generate funds without having a full-time job or even requiring a physical presence. There are several ways you can make money by investing in stocks. The first is by buying and selling on the stock market with companies like E-Trade or Charles Schwab, who give investors access to check their accounts online from home without visiting an office location. Investing in stocks doesn't have to be intimidating once you know how many risk factors are into things. Make sure to always do your own research before investing in stocks. It also helps if companies help educate their investors on policies to adequately manage their investment portfolios with little interference from financial advisors or other professionals who might be more knowledgeable about stock trading than them. Number 2. Start a blog and make money through advertising and affiliate marketing. Bloggers have many different ways to monetize their blogs and websites. For example, they can place ads on the site and make money through advertising revenue. Bloggers also have several affiliate marketing opportunities available to partner up with companies who want to sell products directly from the blogger's blog post. By starting your own blog, you will be able to share content that is relevant to you and what you like, which leads to passive income, as well as other options such as making money through internet marketing, blogging courses such as this one, or even having your own ebook for sale. When working towards any type of financial goal, it's essential to set a time frame and stick with it. Making money is necessary, but making sure you're happy in the process as well. Make sure to invest in yourself and find out what works best for you. Focusing on your blog content should be the main priority, and finding ways that will work best for you financially. Make use of all opportunities available when monetizing your site or blog post. Number 3. Start your own business. Starting your own business is a great way to make passive income. Passive income comes in many forms, but one of the most popular ways people make money on their own terms is by selling products or services online. If you have an idea for something you think others would be willing to buy from you, why not give it a shot? There are many ways to make money online. Some people make money by selling things on eBay, Craigslist, or Amazon, while others make money through passive income jobs like affiliate marketing and blogging. While you should try out every method that sounds interesting, and it's great if you can find a way of making money that is fun for you, most businesses will require work in the beginning before they become profitable enough for you to see a return on your investment of time and energy. When starting any kind of new project, there will be plenty of challenges along the way, but when running a successful business, all those problems can be seen as opportunities. To succeed at anything worthwhile, we have to make sure that we keep pushing forward towards our goals, whatever they may be. No matter what business you are starting, there will likely be some sort of cost involved, so make sure to do your research and always remember the old saying, you have to spend money to make money. Every investment has its risks, but if you can manage them properly, then even an unproven idea could turn out to make a significant return on your initial costs. Number 4. Get into the real estate market. The real estate market is an excellent way to make extra income. There are many ways to make money in this business, but most people don't do research before they jump into the game. There's passive income and there's active income. You can buy properties, manage them for steady monthly rental payments, or just invest your capital gains. To make money from your investment, you have a few options. The most passive type of income is through monthly rent payments. If the apartment next door is rented for $500 a month, and your unit could reasonably be rented for that much or more, then there's no reason not to try it out. You just need someone who wants an apartment in that building and is willing to sign a year-long lease or longer with you. But make sure they are reliable like any tenant, because if their payment falls on time every month, this can provide consistent passive income throughout the project's life. And while some projects may only generate enough cash flow each month to make a mortgage payment, others may create surplus funds, which can either make a nice passive income for an investor, make it possible to add value by making improvements in the building, or pay down existing debt. Number 5. Set up an online shop. An online shop is a great way to make passive income. There are many ways to make money with an online store, the most common being affiliate marketing and selling your own products or services on it. You can also make money by using other people's products as leverage in another business venture that you already have going for yourself. You can easily make a website with Shopify and start selling within minutes. All you need is some good products, or even better if they are affiliate links, people interested in buying them, and marketing skills, so people actually visit your site, instead of others like it out there. However, this isn't enough either. You also have to make sure you use social media platforms properly for maximum outreach and SEO techniques on your page. Otherwise, no one will find it when searching for keywords related to what you sell, nor see any posts from Facebook pages you make about it. Once you make some money, the first thing to do with it is reinvest it. Reinvesting means buying more inventory and making your business better for yourself and customers who come through your online store. The goal should always be to create a more significant profit than what's going out of pocket from selling stock or services on an ongoing basis. Repayments would also make good use of funds if necessary, and pay bills that are behind due to having been spending time building up the online shop in the first place. Passive income is a beautiful thing. It's the dream, isn't it? Making money while you sleep without having to lift a finger. We all want it, and thankfully there are ways to make it happen. In this video, we talked about 5 different methods for earning passive income. So, which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.